Okay, welcome guys. This is Aadi from Aadi Academy. Today we're going to factorize the quadratic example for x plus a times x minus a. So here is the example. Step 1 is solving the parentheses. So we have to do x times x plus x times minus 2 and 2 times x plus 2 times minus 2. X times x is x squared plus minus 2 times x is minus 2x plus 2 times x, which is 2x, plus 2 times minus 2, which is minus 4. So minus 2x and 2x cancels out, so our answer is x squared minus 4. A quick review: x plus a times x